Hey YouTube, I picked up a really nice monitor from the thrift store. It had just came in and I asked them did it work. They said they didn't know. So I just bought it anyway. But it is a Dell Ultra-sharp monitor, models 1905 FP. It's a HDMI device. And it has the DVI cable also. But when I got it home, I plugged it into a laptop as a secondary monitor to see if it would work, and it didn't. So what I did was I took the frame off. And when I took the frame off, what I found was the connection on the control board, they were not aligned. You see the first black one on the left, that's the power, and the rest of them are like adjusting the sharp or contrast or hue of your display. Okay, so what I found was there's a piece of tape on it. See that black piece of tape right there? See, this the power. So it was actually taped over this way, where that first one right there was in there in the middle. It wasn't over that one. So I went on and took it apart, and I'm going to put it back together to see. First of all, it wasn't even taped on there right. Someone had already been inside. So I'm going to go ahead and there's something else that I see. I'm going to try and zoom in so you all can see. Let me put that in there. Try and zoom in closer. See those wires there look a little fishy, right? Don't they look broken? Definitely. Okay, so I'm going to work on this for a minute and but definitely these prongs right here was not lined up. Those were not lined up with those. And that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna work on this for a minute, and if I can get it working, I'm gonna shoot another video and let y'all see how it turned out.